So I get this question all the time, Jonathan, how do we become YouTube monetized, especially if we're starting from zero? So in this video, I'm going to talk about the things I did to get monetized fairly quickly. I'm going to walk you through my journey of getting YouTube monetized and how you can get monetized as fast as possible in the year 2021. More importantly, I'm going to take you through my YouTube analytics. I'm going to show you which videos are paying me the most, and I'm going to show you actually the highest paid month I've ever been paid with YouTube monetization. I'm going to walk through the requirements and the fastest way you can get monetized starting from zero. Guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to grow on TikTok, but more specifically affiliate marketing. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started. Now guys, YouTube monetization is great, right? It's almost like a tip jar in your online business. Now, if you guys are brand new to my channel, I teach people affiliate marketing. That's how I was able to go from 0 to 6 figures in 6 months and quit my job within 9 months. Now, YouTube monetization is nice because it's almost like paying you to do your business. It's very, very cool. But let me talk about kind of the requirements, and I'll talk about how I was able to get monetized fairly quickly. All right. So these are the requirements to become YouTube monetized. And if you don't know what that is, basically guys, let's just say you create a YouTube video and someone clicks on your video and an ad pops up, right? So basically, let's just say we go to one of my videos here. Typically there'll be an ad see just like this. Now, because they're running ads on my channel and I'm a YouTube partner, I actually get paid based on, someone running ads on my channel. Now I'm going to talk about kind of how much you can get paid based on, your YouTube channel, but we'll talk about that in just a second. But that's what YouTube monetization is, or the YouTube partner program. I'm going to talk about everything in this video, guys. Now, what is required to become a YouTube partner? Guys, the biggest thing is you need at least 1,000 subscribers, which I know it sounds kind of hard starting out, but I'll talk about kind of faster ways to get subscribers as fast as possible. But this is kind of the one that was the hardest for me, is the 4,000 watch hours. And I'll kind of talk about that as well. And of course, there's some other monetization things, but these are the main things here, guys, is the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So let me just walk you through my journey and kind of how I was able to basically get monetized very, very quickly. So guys, this is my journey right here, okay? I started my channel, as you can see, in May 15th was my first video, and you can see that it took me a while to get my first, basically to start growing. So let me just show you this was my first video here in May, and basically I didn't get monetized, I believe it's December 21st, if I can remember. So around this time here, you can see that little spike. Basically I got monetized within, what was that, 6 to 8 months? So fairly quickly. I was a brand new channel, starting from zero, and I had a full-time job as an electrical engineer. But what did I focus on, right? So I'm gonna kind of walk you through kind of my journey in 2019, so last year, and then I'm going to walk you through how much I'm getting paid now, like my biggest paid month, and how I was able to do that, and kind of how you can get paid as well. So the main thing I focused on, guys, is YouTube search, okay? And this is huge, and you can see here that a lot of my videos were being found on YouTube search. Now, yes, we want YouTube to promote our videos with browse features suggested. That's definitely a great way to get your videos shown. But in the beginning, when you're first starting out, you have to focus on YouTube search, okay? Now, I was very, very, I was very specific on the keywords that I used for my videos, okay? Because if you can find those secret keywords that no one is kind of ranking for, especially in the beginning, it's going to help you grow. And then later on, as you start getting bigger, then YouTube will start recommending your content, all right? So you can see here in the year 2019, I just got monetized, I believe. When was it? I think it was, it was December 15th. Okay, December 15th here. And you can see I made about $370. Okay, so that was 2019. Now, I'm going to kind of go through here. I'm going to go to custom, and I'm going to go through the next year. So starting in January 2020. So I'm going to start all the way from January 2020 and kind of walk you through my journey of like how much I've been paid. All right. So basically, you can see here that I've been paid a lot more, about $6,200 in the year of 2020 from January 1st to October 31st, as you see here. Okay. Now, what's really important to understand is my CPM is very, very high. Okay. The average CPM is basically like, I think $2 to $5, maybe $8. So what CPM means is how much you get paid per 1,000 views. Why is mine so high? Okay. The reason is because of what I talk about in my niche, right? I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing. So my audience, advertisers are willing to pay more to be on my channel, if that makes sense, because I talk about the, higher ticket type things, right? Now, some people, I think like Graham Stephan, I think he's like at I think he's like at 100 or more because he talks about stocks and investing, right? So even a higher tier level than what I talked about. Now you can see here, I was averaging about $400 to $600 per month, but November, guys, it was my biggest month ever. Literally almost $1,600 with YouTube ad revenue, and this totally blew my mind. Like I'm just gonna go to 2020 here, and let me just show you something, guys. Like literally, I was blown away because for some reason I just started getting a ton more ad revenue in November. And obviously I did start posting more videos, but I was super pumped because I've never been paid that much with YouTube ad revenue. You can see here, basically July about 500, August about 600, September was a little dip, and then October started ramping up, and then November. So why is that? I mean, yes, my YouTube channel is growing, so that has something to do with it. I think it is because Q4, so more people are running ads for Christmas, stuff like that, right? But the main thing that I started doing, guys, is honestly, I started driving more traffic from TikTok. Okay, so I started using TikTok to drive more people to my YouTube channel. So I was able to grow my channel, but I was also able to grow my channel revenue as well. So you can see I'm getting a ton of views on TikTok. What I'm doing is driving people to my YouTube channel. So it's a great way to kind of drive more traffic to your channel. Now, I just want to show you something real quick here. Just in the last, you can see right here a huge spike in views because I started posting more on TikTok to grow my channel, right? So that's kind of a correlation on how to grow your channel faster. You focus on YouTube search, but you also focus on one external program or one external source to grow your channel even faster. Okay, you can see I'm getting, I think I'm like averaging almost 100 subscribers a day at this point. Yeah, 197, 190 to 100, 140. So at this point, my channel is ramping up. It's growing faster than it's ever grown before. I'm really excited about that. But let's talk about revenue, right? Which videos are paying me the most, all right? And this is what I really want you guys to kind of see here. I'm going to go to November and let's figure out which videos are paying me the most. So it's going to say top earning videos. Let's take a look at per video CPM. Okay, this is really cool right here. So remember, CPM is how much you get paid per 1,000 views. So this one right here paid me the most money here. So $140 for one video, guys. Like this is passive income at its finest. Like this is so cool that I can just create content and get paid like every single time I create a video. Now, you'll notice that when I talk about ClickBank, I'll get paid more. So this one right here is just blowing it out of the water. $104 CPM, which is just insane. You can see another pattern here, right? ClickBank, $102 CPM, maybe not as much total revenue, but that's because I don't have as many views yet. But I like to look at CPM, which videos are more valuable. Let's take a look at which videos paid me the least. So I'm going to go to lifetime here, and let's take a look at which videos paid me the least. So actually, let me go to this video here. It's actually paid me the most all time. But here's one thing. Let me just show you something real quick. This CPM is only $13. Okay. So the reason I got paid the most is because I had way more views. So if I go to overall views, over 50,000 views on this video, but it's one of those videos teaching, how to make money with surveys, stuff like that. So you're kind of reaching a lower tier audience, if you want to, I guess if you can say that, but people that are kind of just looking to make money fast, which I don't really create content like that anymore. I don't really care to make videos like that. I want to actually provide real value for people that want to build a real business. And now that's another reason why I'm making a lot more money just with YouTube ad revenue, right? Because I'm focusing on the content that actually, actually drives my business and brand further, but it provides more value. So you can see if I go back to November, these videos are making a lot more money. So that's telling me that I'm actually focused on more high ticket buyers. Okay. Now, of course, I don't make all my money with YouTube ad revenue, guys. I mean, this is cool, right? I mean, this is a lot of people's paychecks, and I'm grateful for that, but I don't really care about YouTube ad revenue, right? I use YouTube to drive traffic to my business. That's it. And this is kind of just like a tip jar, right? So I just use this as a tip jar, maybe put it back into ads. But how do I really make money, right? How do I make my income, and how was I able to quit my job? Honestly, guys, it's with high ticket affiliate marketing. I use YouTube. I get paid to make content to basically send people to my offers and to my programs, whatever it is, affiliate marketing, your own course program. So if you guys want to learn exactly how to build a YouTube channel and a brand and to get monetized as fast as possible, but more importantly, how to grow or how to build a six-figure business from zero. Guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. I'm going to walk you through the exact system that I use to build a six-figure business. Not only me, but I've been able to help out hundreds of students as well. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. I know when I was starting out, I love watching people's YouTube ad revenue, and it actually motivated me to, get monetized, because I really want to get monetized first. And then once I got monetized, then I just started creating content. And guys, I'm having fun with this. Like, this is so fun to be able to create content online, and anyone can do it. That's the thing. Anyone can create content and make it happen. You just gotta, take a leap of faith and do it. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Please subscribe, please comment. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and God bless.